If your vehicle is showing a P0505 code, in this video I'll explain what it is and how you can go about fixing it. What is a P0505 code? It stands for Idle Control System Malfunction. In simple terms, it means your engine's computer is no longer able to maintain a steady idle speed. You might notice your RPMs are too high, too low, or constantly surging up and down. Let's break down how the system works and how to track down the fault. How does the idle system work? On a fuel-injected engine, air enters through the throttle body. Inside, there's a butterfly valve that opens when you press the gas pedal to produce power, but when you let off the gas, that valve closes. To keep the engine from stalling, the computer takes over and uses the idle air control valve, or IAC valve. Think of the IAC valve as a tiny computer-controlled air bypass. Even though the main throttle plate is closed, this valve allows a small metered amount of air to flow around it. By adjusting this valve, the computer can keep your engine idling smoothly regardless of whether the engine is cold or the air conditioning is running. When a P0505 is set, it means the computer has lost control of this balance. Possible causes of a P0505. The very first thing you should check is the throttle body itself. It is extremely common for carbon buildup and oil vapor to create a thick black crust inside the housing. This gunk can physically stick the butterfly valve or clog the tiny air passages the computer uses to manage the idle. You can fix this by using a can of throttle body cleaner and a small brush, like a toothbrush. Scrub away the deposits around the edges of the throttle plate until the metal is clean again. Keep in mind, when you first start the car after cleaning, it might run a bit rough or puff some smoke for a minute or two while it burns off the cleaner. That's perfectly normal. Once it clears out, the idle should settle down. If cleaning the throttle body doesn't work, the next suspect is the idle air control valve. Over time, the internal motor in this valve can fail, or the internal passages can become so clogged with carbon that air can't get through. You can often remove the IAC valve and clean it separately, but you should also test it electrically. Most of these valves can be checked with a multimeter to verify they are receiving the correct voltage and have a solid ground. Since wiring designs vary, some have 3 wires while others have 4 or more, you'll want to grab a wiring diagram for your specific vehicle. If the wiring is good but the valve isn't responding to the computer's commands, the valve itself likely needs to be replaced. Another very common cause for a P0505 is a vacuum leak. If air is leaking into the engine through a cracked hose or a bad intake gasket, it's called unmetered air. The computer isn't expecting this extra air, and it can't adjust the IAC valve enough to compensate, which results in a high or surging idle. You can check for leaks by spraying a small amount of diagnostic spray around the intake manifold and hoses while the engine is idling. If the RPMs change when you hit a specific spot, you found your leak. For a more professional approach, you can use a smoke machine. By pumping smoke into the intake, you'll see it drifting out of any cracks or loose connections, showing you exactly where the repair is needed. To recap, start by cleaning the throttle body and the IAC valve. Then move on to checking your wiring and searching for vacuum leaks. In most cases, a good cleaning or a new vacuum hose will get your idle back to normal. And that's basically it. If you have anything to add, feel free to leave a comment down below. If this video was helpful, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.